Good morning and welcome to my kitchen and happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers. This morning I am going to make my family some really good waffles. Here we go. All right, I'm going to put in about 3 cups of waffle mix. And I'm going to add almond milk today. A lot of times I'll just put water. And then I'm going to add some fruit. Now I usually just use wild blueberries, but I don't have any. So we're gonna see how this fruit tastes in waffles. We're hoping for the best today. And my family likes fruit in their waffles. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna have to break up some of these bigger pieces, looks like, because they look like they're a little too big. But that's what the mix looks like. And I hope that you're all having a wonderful Mother's Day morning. I have so far. My daughter bought me some really nice things, and I'll go and get one of them and show it to you because I think it's really cute, and I think all mothers need a planner. So she got me this planner for Mother's Day, and it says, "But first, coffee." And she knows me very well. Actually, in the morning, she usually has my coffee ready for me. It's such a blessing. And in this planner, it's got different stickers that I'm going to be able to use. And then I can plan out my day. And I really like it. And this is one that doesn't have a year, so you can write any year in here that you want. So like, let's say I skip a month or something, I can make it up. And I can also put some recipes in it. So if you have any recipe ideas, just comment below and give me some of your recipe ideas. And I put them in my little book and try them out. I know that somebody had shared with me a brownie recipe, and I haven't yet made that, but I'm planning on making that here on the show. And so just stay tuned for it. If I don't get to your recipe right away, eventually I probably will, because I run out of my own recipes after a while. So but anyway, today is waffle day here at our home. Sundays is waffle day, so even if it's Mother's Day, I like cooking on Mother's Day. Anyway, I'll show you what the finishing product is as soon as it's done. Thank you. All right, well, this is what the first waffle looks like. Nice, huh? Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.